Tanya. Welcome back to Crafty Cards and Journals. Today, what I want to do, I don't normally do Halloween projects, but I saw this paper pad at Michael's. It's the Sugar Patch, and I thought it was so cute. I had to get it. So I want to make some mini book ephemera that you can put in your Halloween journal or any journal. You can turn these books into Christmas, anything that you want to turn them into. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. I do have two prototypes that I'm going to show you. Like I said, you're going to need whatever paper pad you want to use, but I thought this Sugar Patch was so adorable. Look at that. Is that not cute? I couldn't stand it. It's really cute, and you've probably seen it already. But I mean, it's just as cute as it can be, and it's just a funny little, I don't mind funny Halloween. I don't like scary, okay? And then I used these Recollections foil cardstock paper. I love it. It has a lot of different colors. I've had it for a long time. Then, also what I'm going to be using, and I will have this linked in my Etsy shop, I made these really adorable ghost stickers. I think they're so cute. And I put this little holographic material on it with the stars. I hope you can see them. They're so cute, and they're kiss cut. So like I said, I always have my Etsy shop linked in the description box below, and I'll link these in case you want to purchase them. Just go to my Etsy shop and check it out. Or you can use whatever stickers you want. I just think these are funny and cute, okay? I'm going to use my Barely Art glue, my bone folder. I'm going to be using this if I put, which I think I'm going to, some dangles on there. And then my crocodile, or you can use a hole punch. But if I'm going to do this, definitely, I'm going to use some eyelets. You would definitely want to, I mean, you could use a hole punch, but then you'd have to have something to set the eyelet, okay? So let's get into this. Let me show you my first prototype. I think this is adorable. Oh, and you will need the die that makes these books. Now, I can't link the exact die because I got it, I think, on Ally. And but I found something similar on Amazon. It's not like my die, but it's close enough, and I'll link that too. And I do have affiliate links to Doodle Diaries, Journal Say, and the Washi Tape Shop, and some of those contain coupon codes. So if you're going to shop there anyway, I would appreciate it if you'd use my links. But look how cute this is. That's one of my stickers that I made. He just looks so funny. That's the pages of the book, the spine, the book. And I just added this little tassel on there, and I put a black grommet in there. Then this one is just as cute as it can be. That's another one of my little ghostly stickers I made. And look at this. This time I put silver, and I put kept with the black, and I just put sweet on there and on that little dangle. And I think it's really cute. I used a pink grommet on this one. All right, so that's what we're going to be making, and they're really easy and fun to do, okay? So what I think I'm going to do for this one, and I've made some, and I think I like them better when the spine is different from the book, because I think it stands out better, okay? So here's, oh, I just have it in a sandwich bag, but this is my die right here, okay? And like I said, doesn't have to be Halloween. You can make it for any occasion that you want, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this, and I'm going to get, I decided I want, once again, the silver pages, because I'm liking that really well. And I'm trying to get this right on here and not get my head in this. Let me look if that's where I think I want it. Yeah, I think it is. Okay. And I'm just going to put some glue. But I didn't upload the other day, like on Tuesday, because we had 120-degree heat index. I was dying. And it's so hot. To be honest, today we were at 115. We've been 115, 113, 112 for 2 weeks now, and it's really starting to wear on you. It's miserable, okay? And I was just in the house today. Naturally, the air was going, but I was so hot that I thought I was going to die. And I know a lot of you have reached out to me and told me, you know, you're really hot too. And then you just put this right over that. Let me try to get this on here where I want it. It's kind of hard to do this and film. But, and then this evening, we had a horrendous storm. I knew, as hot as it was going to have to be a really bad, when it started, you know, when we had this rain that they said we were going to have, I was like, well, it's going to be a bad one. And it was. I've never seen such violent lightning, and I've lived here for over 20 years, and it was beyond vicious lightning. Matter of fact, something in my craft room, 2 things in my craft room got struck. I think it was my printer and my Cricut, and then something in our kitchen got struck. So I was like, okay, this is not fun at all. Okay. It's really not that hard to put together if you can see. Okay, so that's basically your book. Then this is going to be the spine. This is so fun. But I wanted to put up something, but I wanted to do something that wouldn't make me be in here a long time, because like I said, it's miserable. And we're trying to get everything ready. We have the U-Haul reserved. We're going to move Mom's stuff out of her house so that we can put it up for sale, which is bittersweet. And so I'm trying to get things taken care of in my house so that that will fit. I'm not getting it all. We're dividing it between myself, my brother, and my niece. And but Mom had a lot of stuff, and she had a very large house. Okay, so we have that. Now I want to get my stickers. And there's so many cute things on here I think that would look good. I've got this one right here. I'm just going to start pulling from this one instead of this one. But I thought about maybe putting, let me get some tweezers so I can see better. I pulled this off earlier to put on something else, and then I didn't use it. I could do that, but I don't know if I want to do that. Then I thought about, this one is so funny. The little ghost with the jack-o'-lantern and like the Starbucks. And I think that's kind of what I want to do. It's so cute. And I love that holographic with the stars that I put on there. So cute. Okay, now to really get this pretty, I'm going to add that to it. And I didn't have another color like that, so I'm going to pull in that color. And let me get a grommet. I could do another black one. I don't think I have that color. Let me see what I have. Okay, I have this sort of a mustard yellow. I could put that on there, but I don't know that I'm feeling that. It would tie back to that. Gosh, these are so tiny. I don't know. Then I have this pink. But why would I want to put pink? Well, there's pink there. I wonder if I had a pink one of these. All right, I have this really little small die. It's gold though. And I was trying to stick with silver because of that. And I have that. So I could do that. I could do that or that. I think I'm just going to do that. I love this, but I think since it's a different color, I'm going to skip it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is going to get my crocodile. And I've been putting a 1/8 inch eyelet in here. Okay. And I'm just going to stick it right in there. These are the eyelets that I don't like. I'm going to get this. Make sure it's set to 3. C3. Okay. Okay, there's that one. Okay, then I'm just going to get a jump ring. That is silver, naturally. And I'm going to get this and stick this in here. And stick that in there. Okay, so here is this one. So we have 4, okay? I kind of want them to make them look like a set. Then for the next one, what I want to do is, I had this paper and I thought that's cute. That's really, really cute. So let's turn that into one of these. Okay. So, because I wanted 2 that had color and 2 like that, okay? And these will also be for sale on my Etsy shop. Yeah. And then it has stormed, like I said, it stormed all evening, and it's late now, and it's finally calming down. And poor Maggie, she has been scared to death because she doesn't like thunder or lightning, and now she associates rain with all the bad stuff. So I never have problem doing this, but I'm trying to film and I can't see good, so naturally I'm going to have some trouble. Okay, that looks really good. Okay, that's our book basically. And then I thought I would stick with the black. I wanted these to be like sisters. So they went together, but they weren't exactly alike. Like I said, you could turn these into any holiday you wanted or any occasion that you wanted. I just love this little die. It's so fun. Okay, so there is that. And for this one, I'm going to use this little guy because he has a little bit of pink in him. And I thought he would be really cute. Okay. And for him, I'm going to put this mug that has a black heart. I thought that would be cute. And let's see, I've kind of got 2. I think I'll do another black one for him. So let me find that grommet. Okay. I'm going to get this out again. I'm going to scoot this down a little. Got 2 in there. No wonder I couldn't see good. let's see. Okay. We'll put this one in here. I hate these grommets, like I said the other day. I really do not like them at all. But I'm trying to use them up because they're what I have. And I really don't like them. And I'm going to get this back out. Okay. And it still doesn't really do what I think it should, but okay, then we have our cup here. And we're going to put this. I want to make sure this is dangling correctly. Okay. And then here's this one with its little black heart coffee cup. Let's take a look at it. All right, here they are. They are so adorable. I love them, okay? Here's the one I made off camera. Look how cute that is. I just love it. You could journal on the back if you wanted, or you could do whatever you wanted to with it. Be great ephemera in pockets. Then here's this one that says sweet. I just thought that was precious, okay? And then here's this one. And I like the pink. It picks up that pink in there. I just thought these little ghosts were so fun and whimsical. Then here is this little mug with the black heart, and he's got one black eye. I just think he's a really cute ghost. If you enjoyed this tutorial on how to take that die set and turn them into adorable books that you can use for any occasion, they make great ephemera for your junk journals or journals, then like the video, share the video, hype the video, and don't forget to check out my Etsy shop in case you're interested in getting your hands on these adorable little ghostly stickers. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.